Good morning, student. In the last class, we talked about goodwill. Now I'm carrying on this topic. Today we teach about method of calculation of goodwill. See on the picture, there are 5 methods of calculation of goodwill. First is number of year purchase method. Second is capitalization method. Third is annuity method. Fourth is hidden goodwill. Fifth is purchase consideration method. In the first 3 method, we use two base, average profit base and super profit base. लास्ट क्लास में आपने बेस देखे थे बच्चों, गुडविल के 2 बेस हम देखते थे, एवरेज प्रॉफिट एंड सुपर प्रॉफिट. ये 2 जो बेस हैं उन पे हमारे ये 3 जो मेथड है, फर्स्ट जो ईयर परचेज मेथड है, कैपिटलाइजेशन मेथड है, एन्युटी मेथड, ये तीनों में हम ये दोनों बेस जो है वो यूज में लेंगे. आई स्टार्टेड फर्स्ट मेथड. फर्स्ट इज नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज मेथड. नेम से ही पता लग रहा है इसका हमें, नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज मेथड. इसमें हम नंबर ऑफ ईयर्स देखेंगे और उस नंबर ऑफ ईयर से मल्टीप्लाई करके हम अपनी गुडविल को फाइंड करेंगे. ए पॉइंट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एवरेज प्रॉफिट वी यूज द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग गुडविल is goodwill equal to average profit multiply number of year purchase. In this case, we multiply average profit with number of year purchase and find out our goodwill. B is on the basis of super profit. Goodwill equal to super profit multiply by number of year purchase. How can we find out super profit? In the last class, you read formula. I tell you again, super profit equal to actual average profit minus normal profit. एक्चुअल एवरेज प्रॉफिट में से नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट को अगर हम माइनस कर देते हैं तो जो निकल के आता है वो आपका निकल के आता है सुपर प्रॉफिट. उस सुपर प्रॉफिट से ही हम फाइंड करेंगे अपनी गुडविल बाय मल्टीप्लाई नंबर ऑफ ईयर परचेज. नाउ आई एम डूइंग वन प्रैक्टिकल क्वेश्चन फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग फर्स्ट मेथड. लेट्स सी. Now I am starting example of our first method, year purchase method. We find out goodwill with the year purchase method on the base of actual profit base. Example, I take example from your book, page number 32, example number 2. Goodwill of a firm is valued at 2 years purchase of the average of last 3 years. There are profit given for 3 years. First is profit in 2014 40,000, including an abnormal gain rupees 10,000. We read in the note, when we have abnormal gain, we deduct it from our profit. So we deduct 10,000 from 40,000. We take out 30,000 as a 2014 profit. Next is 2015 profit is 30,000 after charging an abnormal loss rupees 5,000. We know when we have abnormal loss, we added it into profit. So we added 5,000 in the profit and take out 35,000 as profit in the 2015. Next is profit for 2016 is 33,000, including interest on investment of rupees 8,000. It is our capital nature income. It is our capitalization income. So we don't include in the profit. So we deduct from 33,000 and get out 25,000 as 2016 profit. Now we calculated firstly actual average profit. Formula is average profit equal to total profit upon number of years. Profit in the 2014 is, we calculate 30,000 plus profit of 2015 is 35,000 and profit in 2016 is 25,000 and number of year is 3,000. It is 90,000 upon 3. Actual average profit is rupees 30,000. After that we calculate goodwill. Formula for calculate goodwill equal to actual average profit multiplied by number of year purchase. Number of year purchase is 2 years and actual profit we find out 30,000 multiplied by 2. Goodwill is rupees 60,000. Clear? First method is clear. We calculate on the base of average profit. Second is now we calculate goodwill with first method, year purchase method, on the base of super profit. We take super profit as calculate goodwill. Example from page number 33, example number 2nd. Example is capital of firm of ABC is rupees 2 lakh and normal rate of return is 10%. Annual salary of partners are rupees 6,000 each. You know, when we have partner salary or remuneration, firstly we deduct it from our average profit. Last 3-year profit is rupees 40,000, rupees 35,000, rupees 45,000. Goodwill is valued at 2 years purchase of last 3 years super profit. Firstly we calculate our average profit. Average profit equal to we calculate on base of super profit. Average profit equal to total profit upon number of year. Total profit is 40,000, 35,000 and 45,000. Total is 1,20,000 upon 3 equal to rupees 40,000. There are one adjustment of salary of partner. We deduct salary of partner from our average profit and find out actual average profit equal to average profit minus partner's salary. In the question, there are two partner A and B and each salary is 6,000. So we deduct 12,000 as a partner salary. 40,000 minus 12,000. Answer is rupees 28,000. Our actual average profit. We find out super profit. Super profit equal to actual average profit minus normal profit. In the question, we find out normal profit. With the calculate normal profit with the normal rate of return 10%. The capital of the firm is 2 lakh and normal profit equal to capital employed multiply normal rate of return upon 100. We apply the formula on capital is 2 lakh multiplied by 10%. Answer is 20,000. Super profit equal to actual profit is 28,000 minus 20,000. Super profit is rupees 8,000 and goodwill equal to 8,000 multiplied by 2, rupees 16,000. Have you understand? Okay.